So I gave you the formula for the midpoint of between 2 points. Now I need a gradient formula. If I've got the coordinates of 2 points, just use the formula below to find the slope between them. So another cheat sheet special. The slope or gradient between 2 points is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2. Take x1. Let's get that one down. Demonstrate it. First example is what the mainstreams would be expected to do. Second is algebra, hiding in the bushes. All right, I'm going from 3, -2 to 6, 4. What's my y2? 4 minus y1, 3 over. Oh, yeah, okay. My bad. 4 is right. y2 minus y1, so minus -2 over, what's x2? 6 minus 3. 2 minuses become a plus, so that's going to be 6 over. 6 take 3. 3, 6 divided by 3, 2. So what would that line be doing? It would be going, what's 2 as a slope, fraction? It's 2 over 1. So that line would be going up 2 and across 1. Example, and then we'll do the algebra one. All right, last one, algebra. Let's use that formula in context rather than just finding the slope. Because just finding the slope, it's almost like one of those puzzles that children do. You know, the little ball where you put the circle in the circle, then the triangle in the triangle. That's not complicated. That doesn't take that much thinking, okay? Although we did I stuffed up the 3, so you got me there. That's on record. Now, for the whole world to see, your maths teacher couldn't read the 3 properly. If I knew the slope between 2 points, which were 5, -2, and 9t, was 2 over 3, what must t be? You have a formula that relates all of this information. I know that the slope is 2 over 3. I have a formula that relates these things. If it helps you, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So plug everything in that we know. y2 is t minus y1, -2, over x2 is 9 minus 5. What's that transfer to? I didn't do anything with the 2/3. What's t -2 going to be? What do the 2 minuses become? Plus, so it's going to be t plus 2 over 9 minus 5 is going to be 4. Now remember back, it probably would have been week 1 or week 2. If I have a single fraction on one side and a single fraction on the other, what was that cancelling thing that we did? Cross multiply, yeah? So you're going to cross multiply these things. What's that going to look like? 3 times t plus 2 equals 2 times by 4, 8. Someone help me expand those brackets. 3t plus 6 equals 8. Let me move this. How do I get rid of that add 6? So what's the right-hand side going to look like? 2. What's the 3 doing to t? What's the opposite of that? So t is going to be 2 over 3. That's that.